Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Okay, children, before we start our class, it's time for attendance first. Everybody, please call out your names. Call out your names.
Anugar.
Manas Garg, okay. Then
Rishabh Kumar.
Rishabh Kumar, very good. Next,
Yes, Raj Mahajan.
Yash Raj Mahajan, okay. Stuti Khandelwal,
Arab Solanki.
very good. Arav Solanki, very good.
Singh.
Athar Singh, very nice. That's all, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students so far. Okay. So, children, now tell me, have you done, did I give you the worksheet of chapter 2 timelines? Did I share the worksheet with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have done the worksheet. Why do I see other children so confused? Have we not done it? Did I fill in the blanks from the chapter timelines with you?
Ma'am, I have missed the chapter 2 only.
Yes,
Only,
Manas.
ma'am, of long, of question third, ma'am.
Wait, beta, wait. I'm saying, have I shared any worksheet with you? Did I share this worksheet with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tuti, Manas, Araf Solanki, everybody. Have you done this worksheet?
No, ma'am.
No, you have
Good morning,
not done.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, now do one thing. All of you open your social studies fair copies. And do this worksheet. Today we are going to just do a little practice of the previous chapter.
Ma'am, we have right answers at home or
No, you have to do this worksheet right now. You will do the
ma'am,
worksheet with full
ma'am, we are
sentences. With full sentences. Not only answers, you are going to write the sentence also.
okay, ma'am. We have right our own
Yes, you have to
answers.
write. Yes, and if you, we will discuss it in the last 5-6 minutes of the class. I'll discuss all the answers. If you're not able to do any, just leave it and go to the next one.
Ma'am, there are only 12 questions.
No, beta, there are 15 in all. See,
Okay, ma'am.
write full sentences. Don't ask me, ma'am, we have to write only answers. Why? Because when you'll practice before, when you'll revise before your exam, you should have the whole sentence before you.
And we will do fair copy.
Yes, you have to do it in your fair copy. Zoya Fatima is not attending her classes now these days, or she's attending? I haven't seen her from a very long time. Write down today's date. Write down the heading worksheet number 1, chapter 2, timelines. Mention everything. And if you don't know any answer, don't worry at all. In the end, we will discuss all of them. Just leave it.
Ma'am, we have to write social studies also.
No, don't write social studies. That I wrote because I prepare worksheets for other subjects also. Na?
Ma'am, now, but I am written and I am on first.
Okay, no problem, beta. If you have written, then also it's no problem. From Monday, we will start the next chapter.
Ma'am, tomorrow we have to submit our notebooks. Sorry, ma'am, on first.
And first, have you received any such message?
No, ma'am, because I can't submit my notebooks.
No, but did you receive any this kind of a message on your class group, beta?
Yes, ma'am, last time. Before the leave.
Yes, yes, yes. That was for last month. Now, if you get a message this time, then you have to do. Otherwise, it's fine.
Okay, ma'am. And because you have sent that you can send
Send it
on
next
next
month.
shift.
Yes, yes, I said so. Why were you not able to send it that time?
Ma'am, because my father is not home that time.
All right. And what is the problem this time? Why will you not be able to send if at all you get a chance to?
No, ma'am, I will send.
You will send. Okay. But beta, this time I don't think you have to send. Why? Because there'll be no off. Because last time you got an off of 20 days, right? So this time
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are no holidays. These days, Mishti is also not attending her classes, or is she present in other classes? Anyone has noticed in the class?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
You
no,
have not
ma'am.
noticed, or she's not attending?
When we have to do this in fair copy.
Yes, beta, you have to do it in your fair copy with full sentences.
Ma'am, this is a test.
No, beta, this is just for your practice. This is not any test.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I write only answers.
Very bad. Just cross that work. Cut it all and write the whole thing. How will you revise in your exams? Huh? Before your exam, how are you going to revise it? Only with answers? Just tell me. You should know the whole sentence, beta. Just cross it and show it to me on the camera that you have crossed everything. And do the work from a new page now.
Ma'am, I am asking, ma'am. Ma'am, I have right sentence also.
Yes, you're supposed to write sentences, the whole sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of in fifth one additional day?
Additional means one extra day, one more added day. Every time February has got a particular number of days, but in a particular year, there is one extra day in February.
No, I know.
Mute yourself. Who is not muted? Mute yourself. Mishti, beta, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Mishti, I just want to know, beta, why are you not attending your classes these days?
Ma'am,
You are little irregular, no?
I can leave 2 days only.
I can.
Leave, ma'am. I cannot take class only 2 days.
Only 2 days you could not take the class.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem, beta. Children, all of you, open your cameras.
And ma'am, my work is already done. But
Your work is done. You have done
yes,
all
ma'am.
sentences.
Yes, ma'am. All.
Very nice. Very quick. Huh? Wonderful.
Ma'am, we can write only answers.
No, not at all. How will you revise, beta, if you write only answers? Just tell me this. How will you revise before your exams?
Ma'am, I will drink water.
Go, beta, drink.
My mistake, I have underlined the question.
No problem.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of calendar?
CALENDAR. Calendar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in 10th one, after was there are what?
In the 10th one, historians use dash for the period before Jesus Christ was born. BORN.
Ma'am, there are BERN.
No, it's BORN, beta. See it clearly? It's BORN.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in 11th one, we are write the definitions of AD and BC. Sorry, full form of we have written in 11th word, 11th, 12th one.
The 12th one, you have to write what? You can write only the abbreviation. Who is Alankrita Yadav? Open your camera, beta. Alankrita Yadav. There is no Alankrita Yadav in this class. Alankrita, beta, you are being removed because you're not replying.
Ma'am, only this much is in the worksheet is this much.
Yes, beta. Only 15 sentences. Have you all done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Children, now it's time to discuss these 15 questions. What is the answer of the first one? We use dash to know months, weeks, and days in a year.
Ma'am, calendar.
Calendar. Very good. The answer is calendar. Second, dash calendar is known as Western or Gregorian calendar.
Ma'am, Gregorian. Ma'am, Gregorian calendar.
Which calendar?
Gregorian.
Gregorian calendar. Saka calendar is also known as the dash calendar.
Calendar. Indian calendar.
Indian national calendar. Very good.
Ma'am, I have only written as Indian.
No, beta, it is Indian national calendar.
Okay, ma'am.
Then both calendars are divided into dash months.
2 months. 2 months.
2 months?
Ma'am, 2 months.
Yes, 12 months. When February has one additional day, that year is called a dash year.
Leap year.
Leap year. Very good, leap year. The Saka calendar starts after dash years of Gregorian calendar. How many years?
Ma'am, 78 years of Gregorian calendar.
Very nice. 78 years of Gregorian calendar. Looks like many of you didn't know this answer. Huh? Is it? Nobody answered.
Ma'am.
The Saka calendar starts after 78 years of a Gregorian calendar. Then, dash gives us exact order of events happened in the past.
Timeline. Timeline.
Wonderful,
Timeline.
wonderful. Timeline. In history, dates are counted from the year of the birth of
Jesus.
Jesus Christ. The correct answer is Jesus Christ. The next one. The years after the birth of Jesus Christ are written as what? The time after the Jesus Christ was born. What is that written as? Yes, Tuti?
It is, ma'am, confusion in this
Ma'am,
question.
No, wait. Okay, I can hear Stuti is giving the correct answer. Beta, be a little loud.
Ma'am, 18.
Ma'am, Anno Domini.
Okay, it's Anno Domini. Very nice. The correct answer is Anno Domini. See, children, you have forgotten this chapter. Now, this worksheet is making you recall everything. The period after the birth of Jesus Christ is not written as AD. We studied AD and BC, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the period after his birth is written as AD and the period before his birth was written as BC, before Christ. Okay, next one. Historians use dash for the period before Jesus Christ was born. What do they use? BC. Very good. It is used as BC. Then, on which sentence now we are? Okay. A century is a period of dash years. How many years?
100.
100. Wonderful, wonderful. AD was replaced by dash. What was AD replaced by? Tell me.
Anno Domini.
CE. And BC was replaced by dash.
BCE.
BCE. BC.
BCE.
Common era.
Yes,
What is the
before
answer?
common era. In order to remove the elements of religion. Okay. In a timeline, events are placed in a dash order. Which order? Which order are events placed in? In a chronological order.
Order.
Yes, chronological order.
What is the spelling?
CHRONOLOGICAL. Chronological.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 12th one?
AD was replaced by AD was replaced by CE. No, only CE. And BC was replaced by BCE. Yes,
BCE.
in order to remove the elements of religion. In a timeline,